How do pop-up drink stands evaluate wholesale pricing? They look at the cost per unit from the supplier, compare it against how many cups they expect to sell, and make sure the markup covers both product cost and daily operating expenses like ice, cups, and labor. Think of it like buying candy in bulk before selling it piece by piece at a lemonade stand. A pop-up drink stand owner has to figure out how much 1 gallon of syrup or juice concentrate costs, then divide that by how many cups it makes, so they know the true cost of a single drink. Most people do not realize that wholesale suppliers often give better pricing once you commit to a certain volume, so smart stand owners negotiate tiered pricing instead of accepting the first quote. Something else that is not widely known is that many beverage distributors will loan or rent dispensing equipment for free if you agree to buy your syrup or mix exclusively from them, which can save hundreds of dollars in startup costs. Owners also factor in seasonal demand, since prices for things like fresh fruit or specialty mixers can spike during hot summer months when everyone wants a cold drink. A good rule many use is trying to keep ingredient cost under 30% of the final selling price, leaving enough room for profit and overhead. One thing to really watch out for is hidden delivery or minimum order fees that suppliers sneak into wholesale contracts, so always ask for the full breakdown before signing anything. Another key point is that prices can change quickly based on fuel costs and seasonal crop yields, so locking in a price for a set period through a short contract can protect your margins. Finally, don't forget to account for waste and spillage, since even a small percentage lost during setup can quietly eat into your profits if you're not tracking it closely. If you enjoyed this video, check out our online directories in the description below.